Tim here with Happy Trails, and today we're going to talk about a DRZ and the oversized battery box that we make for those. A note before we get started, this does not work on a super motard with a larger wheel. It's just the standard wheel size on the DRZ. And so I've got all my wiring tucked in here, but the battery that's in here is a firepower lithium battery, and we'll put in the specs for that, and you can see the comparison that we get, how much increase we have. And the battery box fits in real nice. It's a real simple install for you. This particular bike has a 440 kit in it, cams and a pumper carb, and when I first got it, it was always tricky to start. And one of the first mods I did was the battery box with the lithium battery. And it doesn't even seem like my thumb hits the starter, and it's fired up really quick all the time. And I jokingly tell people that I can do 35 miles an hour in fifth gear on the starter. That's not true, but it seems like I can. And so whether you want to go with an AGM option we have on the website or the lithium, either way is good, but this lithium just takes all the risk out of things, and I think it's the best risk management you can have on this bike. So thanks a lot.